Hello, my name is Viviana. I am going to present what we keep in our fridge.
This is my fridge. There is a heart with some juice. There is a barrel of lemon juice. There is a bottle Miller Light beer. There is a bag milk. There are some gooseberries. There is a peach. There are some lemons, and there are some strawberries. There are some bags of yogurts. There are some corn cups. There are some blackberries. There are some 3 tomatoes. There are some lulos. There are some lemons. There are some guavas. There are some gulupas. There aren't any apples in the fridge. There aren't any grapes in the fridge. There isn't any watermelon. There isn't any sour soaps. There are some curry potatoes. There are some beans. There are some steamed cucumbers. There are some pumpkins. There are some racachas. There are some tomatoes. There are some onions. There are some carrots. There are some cucumbers. There are some beets. Thank you.